My name is Atharva, and today I'm going to be demonstrating what I've learned in Unreal Engine for the recitation of GSND 5110. So this is what I've learned. I've learned how to create a 2D game using sprites and blueprints. So as you can see, these are all the sprites that I've used. I downloaded assets from from the internet, and then using these assets, I created sprites. Using these sprites I basically created my level. This is a collision box that I'm using to prevent the character from falling when they start, and these are all actors. This is the gameplay. So as you can see, this is a character who is running. I have created a bunch of moving platforms too. This is a falling platform. This is a spike. If I fall into this, then I die. And there's also an option to restart. Speaking of which, Speaking of which, I, I even created this. Speaking of which, I even created a UI for my game. So there are two options here. I can either click on restart to restart the level, or I can just click on the quit button to quit to the main menu. This is my UI. If I click on the start button, then I get to select the levels here. Currently, I've made only two levels for this game, and out of that, I've coded only one level. And so if I click on this, and it gives me the first level. This is the hell bar. If I click on the pause button, it gives me three options. Either I can resume the game, or I can restart the game, or I can quit to the main menu. Now coming to some of the blueprints. This is a blueprint of my main character. This is the logic created for jumping. I've used booleans and then the jump function as well as the flip book in order to create the characters jumping. Note that this only works if the dead condition is false. If the dead condition is true, then the character will stay dead and the character cannot do anything. This is used to get the pause menu to appear, and this is used to set the jumping logic. When the character presses the jump button, the character when I press the jump button, then the character will jump and the jump animation will play. And when I release it, then the jump boolean will be set to false and the character will stop jumping. Similarly, this is the movement for left and right. If the character is not dead, and only this logic works. Otherwise, the character cannot move either. And here it only works if the character is not jumping. So this is a add movement input, which is used to make the character move right. And if the character is moving right, then the rotation will be by default 0. If the character moves left, then the world rotation is set to 180 degrees for the character to rotate. This is the event tick where I have attached all the possible functions like jumping, the character's death, and the overall character movement, whether the character is falling or not, and for the left and right movement. And this is a logic for the character's death. That when the character dies, then the health bar will be set to 0, and the pause menu will and the retry menu will appear. Some other stuff that I've created includes Yeah, this includes a porcupine enemy, which I have mainly used in the second level.